I keep my eyes closed. When they opened, sorrow they did see, enough to carve mountains out of dry earth, enough to dig caves to hide bodies on the run. When they opened, pain they did find in the open sores of my brother's skin. When they opened, terror they did witness on the burning flesh of my sister's breasts. When they opened, despair they did sense on the stale breath of my mother's mouth. When they opened, blame they did throw on the indigenous frame of my father's chest. So I blink and blink and blink. Each time I send down a prayer to those who are lost to the tumultuous sea that never did want to be a tomb. Each time I visit the good places they willed me to forget. Each time I wind myself counterclockwise around the forgetting tree. Each time I blink, I hang a finger, some hair, a shell, a seed, a cap, anything that has been thrown away into my hungry hands, and I hang it onto the branch to forge a remembrance, because that is all I have left of my brother, sister, mother, father, the tiny trinkets that were traded for them. So that is what will hang when my eyes are closed tight, when they blink no more, when they bury sorrow, pain, terror, despair, and blame for good. I keep my eyes closed.